Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate PayKickstart and Sendpulse. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new subscription is made in PayKickstart, it will automatically create a subscriber in Sendpulse. Now PayKickstart is an awesome subscription building software and Sendpulse is an email marketing software. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from PayKickstart to Sendpulse. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between PayKickstart and Sendpulse. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate PayKickstart and Sendpulse. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will immediately get access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and at the bottom you will find connect. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as PayKickstart to Sendpulse. PayKickstart to Sendpulse. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as PayKickstart. PayKickstart. Okay, so this is because we want to send the data from PayKickstart. Now in the trigger event, we want to send the data when a new subscription is created. Okay, so subscription created is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new subscription is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more trigger events like subscription trial start, subscription payment failed, fulfillment, fulfilling cart abandonment, fulfillment shipped, fulfillment refunded, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger event according to your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new subscription is created in PayKickstart. Okay, so excellent. So basically what we are trying to do here is we are just trying to integrate PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect. So let's have a look at PayKickstart. Okay, so this is my PayKickstart account. First, we are going to go to this part called as campaigns and we are going to select a product to integrate with. So I'm going to select this particular product, okay, t-shirt, and I'm just going to click on edit. Okay, so this is the edit page. Scroll down and at the bottom you will find the option called as integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll up and here you will find the IPN URL. Just click on add. Okay, so we have a blank called as the IPN URL. Here you have to enter the webhook URL. So your obvious question is where I'm going to get the webhook URL. It's actually pretty easy. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want. Okay, copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so I have pasted it. Then we have to set the events as subscription created. Subscription created, this one. Okay, so we have entered the IPN URL and also we have set the event as subscription created. So scroll up and just click on save. Okay, so it is showing that the product has been updated. Basically, this means that this particular product, that was t-shirt, has been integrated with Pabbly Connect. Now, since Pabbly Connect is integrated with this particular product, it has to capture the data when a subscription is created. So to ensure that Pabbly Connect captures the data, let me go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So let me go to PayKickstart and let me create a dummy subscription in PayKickstart. So the product I'm going to choose is this one, that is t-shirt. Okay, so this is the checkout link associated with this particular product. So I'm just going to copy this checkout link and just going to open this in a new tab. Okay, so I have opened this. Okay, so we are going to fill in some details. So the name of the person is Tommy and the last name is Green. And how about we make some changes? Okay, so the email is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 So just click on next step. Okay, so all the details has been pre-entered, I mean auto-filled. In case if you want, you can also enter the phone number, that is 919131323911. Okay, so that detail has also been entered. Just click on next step and let's complete the purchase. Okay, so a subscription of 149 rupees has been made and the customer is Tommy Green, and as you can see the product is Pabbly Connect t-shirt. Okay, excellent. Now since PayKickstart is integrated with Pabbly Connect, let's see whether it has captured this particular detail or not. So let me see. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. Give it 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, as you can see the data has been captured. So let me scroll down and let me see. Yes, the event is subscription created. Excellent. Okay, so the rest of the details are as follows. So the amount is 149 and then we have the house number and then we have the billing address, that is field 13. This is the billing city, Bangalore city, and then we have the billing state as Karnataka. This is the zip code and this is the email 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆@gmail.com. This is the first name, that is Tommy. This is the last name, that is Green. Okay, so all the details has been captured. So we have to create a subscriber in Sendpulse. So to do that, just scroll down and click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Sendpulse? Okay. Now in the action event, how about we make it as add a subscriber? Now add a subscriber is basically an action event. Similarly, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action event according to your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to add a subscriber in Sendpulse. Okay, so just click on connect with Sendpulse. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have 2 blanks to fill, ID and the secret. So to get them, let's have a visit to Sendpulse. Okay, so this is my Sendpulse account and I am going to click on my profile. Here you will find the account settings. Click this. Okay, so this is the page of account settings. Here you will find the option called as API. Click this. Okay, so this is the ID you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Excellent. Now similarly with the secret, all you have to do is copy this and paste it here. Excellent. So we have filled the ID as well as the secret. Just click on save. Okay, so when you click on save, a set of blanks will appear in front of you. The purpose of this blank is very simple. We are going to create a subscriber from the data that we have received from PayKickstart via Pabbly Connect. So before we fill in the details, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so in the mailing list name, it is showing it as Solid Drive. This is because actually I have a ton of mailing list. Okay, so let me show you. So these are the mailing lists I have: Solid Drive, WooCommerce to Sendpulse, PayKickstart, Awesome List, my emails, and so on. So basically all the mailing list that is present here will be available in the drop down box. So let me show you after creating a new mailing list. So I'm going to create a new mailing list. So the name of the mailing list is Sunshine. Okay, Sunshine. And I'm going to just click on create. Okay, so a mailing list called as Sunshine has been created. So at present there is only 0 contacts, there is no contacts. And when I go to Pabbly Connect and when I refresh this, you can expect to find Sunshine as my one of the mailing list. So I want to create a subscriber in this particular mailing list. So I'm selecting this. Okay, so we have other blanks called as the email, name, and the phone number. Now email can be fetched from this particular button. This is called as the mapping button. Click this and just type email and you will find the email that we have received from PayKickstart. Similarly, this is called as the mapping button. Click this and just type name and you have the name, that is Tommy. Okay, so coming to the phone number, if we had entered the phone number, oh yes, we have entered the phone number. Okay, so basically all the details has been entered. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Sendpulse. So let's have a look in the mailing list. Okay, so as you can see in the sunshine, it is already showing 1 contact. Earlier it was 0 contacts. So let's see. Okay, let it load. Yes, we have a subscriber called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗖𝙬𝙮@gmail.com, and the name is Tommy. Excellent. So the presence of this subscriber in Sendpulse shows that we have successfully integrated PayKickstart to Sendpulse with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not? But before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. Okay, so this is my account again. So I'm minimizing my action window and I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated PayKickstart to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Sendpulse. So now there is a perfect flow of data between PayKickstart and Sendpulse. Excellent. So how about we make one more transaction, one more subscription. So I have copied the URL, I'm pasting it in the new tab. Okay, proceeded with my order. Okay, so the name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗪𝗵𝘆, and I'm going to bring some variation in the email, and she's from Finland. Okay, so we are going to select the province as Kenya. Okay, 9131323415. Okay, so we have entered the details. Just click on next step and complete the purchase. Okay, so a subscription has been made by this person called as 𝗪𝗵𝘆, and this is the email 𝗪𝗵𝘆1123@gmail.com. So let's have a visit to our Sendpulse to check whether we have a email called as email address. Okay, yes, we have an email address 𝗪𝗵𝘆1123@gmail.com. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new subscription is created in PayKickstart, it will be automatically reflected as a subscriber in Sendpulse.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.